Hello everyone, today let's talk about soft oil seal. This oil seal is RBR type, and this size is internal diameter is 140, external diameter is 160. This sink is 12, and it is a black color purse. It's made of rubber. Our factory have RBR rubber and FKM rubber. It also have many following features. This oil seal has vulcanized at low temperature, with longer service life and more wear resistance, high temperature resistance, oil leakage prevention, mud-proof water, and we can provide the customers the service. We can customize this size, this color, this material. We all can customize. So if you are interested, just send us our inquiries. We can send you free samples. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.